You're right. The treasure map said the woods. Let's go. I think we're close to the treasure now. Aren't you excited, Wooly? I said, aren't you excited?
Huh? Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, but we still don't know where the treasure is, buried.
Our friend the GPS said that X marks the spot. Can you see where the X is? There it is. Treasure awaits. Looks like the spot.
But how are we supposed to get at it under all the dirt? Bah!
Luckily, I brought some tools to help us with our adventure. I brought a crowbar, a rope, and a shovel. We already used the crowbar for the door. We used the rope for... And now, we only have the shovel. What tool should we use to dig up the treasure? I didn't bring that. What can we use to dig up the treasure? The only tool we haven't used yet is the shovel. With that said, the only tool we would need is... the shovel. You're right. Now we can dig this up before someone...
Okay, that's enough. Bah! No, I can't let you do this anymore. I don't care what you do to me. You, take the tape out now and destroy them. Burn them. Whatever. Just get rid of these other tapes. Do you hear me? You can't let anyone else watch these. Let anyone... Oh. Ah.
やれやれだぜ。